Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing and hit those likes. It lets both YouTube and myself know if we should keep making these videos and if they should promote it to you guys. Today we have a 2020 Kia Soul. I say 2020, but the manufacturer date says 7/20, so it could be a 21, early 21. All right, we're gonna work on the front headlights today. So first thing, open the hood. I mean, look at that. It's got shock struts on a Kia. They got tons of other cars that cost way more that don't even have that. They all still got the little metal prop. All right, well, let's get to these headlights. Most of you would think that these are your headlights, but they're not. It's these bottom ones here. That's your headlight. This one is just your indicator, your blinker. That's got to be a parking light, running light or something, and that's in a parking light also. Actually, this is a parking light, that would be your running light, and this is your indicator or blinker. And this is your high and low beams. Very easy to get to. You get to the back of the top part, you'll see a little tab here. That's one light bulb, that's your running light. This one would be the indicator and the power. But yep, these top ones are fairly easy to get to, so if they go out, no big deal. Here's the other one here. This one's probably the indicator. Yep. So you just look for them. They got these little nubs on them. Very easy. Not Toyota easy, but just about. Let's get this one back in. Now the headlight, as you can see, you're gonna see this bracket here. That's your headlight adjuster, and right below that there's a little black cap. All right, like I was saying, underneath this bracket there's a cover. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. You'll see I've got the cover off. You can't see the light bulb from this angle, which is why you kind of got to go through the fender liner. You're going to want to turn the wheel inward, remove these clips here. There's 3 of them. There's one here, there's one here, and one down here at the bottom. You just peel back the liner, and now you should be able to have access and see how to get that light bulb out. I'm going to peel this liner off real quick and show you guys what it looks like in there. Now, like I said, I'm going to start using regular tools for, not everybody has the tools I have. So you get to this clip. If I can get this darn thing to focus, you just grab a nice little edge and the whole assembly comes out. Just be careful. You don't want to hurt yourself. Then all right, once you get those clips out, you'll see a little notch right here. That's where you'll stick your tool. And then, like I said, with the tire turned inward, you'll be able to not only see the light bulb, but reach it, which is gonna be kind of hard to see, but it's sitting right in here. You see, I don't got the cover on it, but right there, that's your headlight. Let me see if I can stick my hand in there and get a better angle. maybe if I track down the key and turn the wheel like I told you guys, it'd be a lot easier. But you'll see it. You see that little circle part right here? I don't got the cover on it, so you should be able to see the light bulb right there. You just got to reach in, remove it, and swap it out if you have to. And then you just put the clips back in. I didn't have to change the bulbs on this. I was just showing you guys how easy and simple it is. No need to go to the dealership for everything, guys. Even though these things have good warranties. No, wait, that's the big brother one. That's the Hyundai models, I think. But I think they both have that 10-year, 100,000. And that's it. Then you can just put the cap back on. Remember, guys, lefty loosey, righty tighty. And that's it. 2020 Kia Soul, blinkers, marker lights, and headlight. If you guys have any questions about this vehicle, just hit me up down there in the comments. Any questions, any issues with the vehicle, if you have any weird history with it, just let us know. Let the world know what's going on with your Kia. So for now, I'm going to end this here. Be nice to each other. Share the love. Peace out.